Welcome everyone. The topic of today is trial procedure. In a trial, the burden of proof is on the prosecution. The student at the back, what is the standard of proof?
Beyond a reasonable doubt, sir.
The trial begins after filing of challan before the court. Section 190 CRPC gives power to magistrate to take cognizance. Article 10A of the Constitution ensures fair trial rights.
Kens guarantees a play and public 10A.
The accused must appear before the court on the fixed date. Section 24 CRPC relates to issue of summons or warrant. The court ensures the presence of the accused during trial.
Sir, is bail possible before the appearance?
The court frames formal charges against the accused person. Sections 221 to 240 CRPC discuss framing of charge. The charge must clearly explain the alleged offense.
Any questions? Sir, could you explain section 221?
The charge is read and explained to the accused. Section 242 CRPC provides this legal procedure. The accused may plead guilty or deny the charge.
Sir, what if the accused remains silent?
The court will enter a plea of not guilty. The accused may voluntarily admit the offense before the court. Section 243 CRPC
Deals with plea of guilty.
the court may convict after recording such plea.
What is the significance of a guilty plea?
It streamlines the trial, sir. The prosecution produces witnesses and documentary evidence before the court. Section 265F CRPC explains recording of prosecution evidence. The burden of proof lies upon the prosecution.
Sir, does the defense get to cross-examine?
Yes, absolutely. Witnesses give statements before the trial court. Articles 71 and 72 of QSO relate to oral evidence. The court records examination in chief of witnesses. Any questions?
Sir, is cross-examination next?
Yes, exactly. The defense counsel cross-examines prosecution witnesses carefully. Article 133 of QSO permits cross-examination. Cross-examination tests truth and credibility of witnesses.
Sir, is it mandatory?
Yes, it is. The prosecution may re-examine its witnesses after cross-examination. Article 130 of QSO also discusses re-examination. Re-examination removes confusion created during cross-examination. Can you student in the back cross-explain? The court records the statement of accused person personally. Section 342 CRPC governs this important stage. The accused explains circumstances appearing in evidence against him. Any questions?
No, sir.
The accused may produce defense witnesses and documents. Section 342 CRPC allows defense evidence. The defense tries to create doubt in prosecution case.
So it's about reasonable doubt?
Exactly. Both parties present final arguments before the court. Lawyers explain facts, evidence, and legal provisions. The court carefully hears both prosecution and defense sides.
Sir, is this the final stage?
Yes, precisely. The court announces its final decision after hearing arguments. Section 367 CRPC relates to
Contents of judgment.
what is the outcome of a judgment.
Conviction or acquittal, sir?
The judgment may result in conviction or acquittal. The accused is convicted if guilt is proved beyond doubt. The prosecution must prove the case with reliable evidence. Benefit of doubt always goes in favor of accused. Any questions from the back?
No, sir.
The court acquits the accused if evidence is insufficient. Section 265K CRPC allows acquittal at any stage and in some cases. An acquitted person regains liberty and legal protection.
It allows for acquittal at any trial stage.
The court hears the accused before awarding punishment. Section 382 CRPC discusses sentence after conviction. Any questions on that?
Sir, what about proportionality?
The punishment must be lawful and proportionate to offense.
Trials are generally conducted in open court proceedings. Article 10A supports transparency and fair justice.
Sir, how does this build public trust?
Open trials increase public confidence in the judicial system.
Thank you, sir.
Every accused has the right to engage a lawyer. Article 10A guarantees legal representation and fair trial. The defense counsel protects rights of the accused person.
Sir, does this apply to all courts?
Yes, exactly. The court properly records statements and documentary evidence. Sections 353 and 364 CRPC relate to recording procedures. Proper record helps appellate courts in future proceedings. Any questions from the back?
Sir, does this apply to digital evidence?
An aggrieved party may file appeal against judgment. The appellate court reviews legality and correctness of trial. What is the first step in filing an appeal?
File a notice of appeal, sir.
Correct. We are building the future vision and dedication. A question for you.
Dedication and integrity, sir.
Excellent. And you?
Justice for all.
That is all for now. Next, we will discuss another topic. Thanks to all.